Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem Starbucks gift card online using your desktop. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening Apple web browser and in the URL box type in www.starbucks.com and press enter on your keyboard. If you already have an account, you can click on the sign in button in the upper right hand corner and log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, click on Join Now. Enter your information that is needed into the registration page. Fill in your first name, your last name, an email address, and create a password. You can also redeem or add your gift card during the registration process. Click on Already Have a Starbucks gift card link and type in your 16-digit gift card number located at the back of your gift card. Now, head over to the next field where it says security code and type in your security code, which is 8-digit long. Finally, if you want to receive emails from Starbucks, make sure this box is checked. Agree to the terms and service of Starbucks by checking on this box beneath as well and click on Create Account. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to create a new account on Starbucks by adding a gift card as well. Now, whenever you are to pay for your Starbucks order ahead, you can use this gift card so that you can redeem your gift card with the purchase online. That is how you can easily redeem your gift card for Starbucks. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.